If you are looking for the latest Hostinger coupon promo code through which when you buy your hosting from Hostinger, you get a superb discount, then you are at the right place. Because in this video, I will be doing a step-by-step detailed overview on how you can claim amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger, plus two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get further discount when you buy it from Hostinger. Now, first of all, what you have to do is to click on the special coupon discount link in the description of this video. Want to click on a special coupon based discount link video link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now. I'm going to close this AI so you can see the most out of it. And right now you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org. That is a very world-class finance platform. And then on Trustpilot, Google, Hosted Device, WP Beginner, all of them say that Hostinger is the finest company to buy on. Now if I look around the Trustpilot reviews, uh, you can see that the majority of the reviews are either 5-star reviews or the 4-star reviews, which makes it a very good option to choose on, effortless website management. I would love to hear very good. Hosting is the best. I didn't issue, but when I connected, they solved out my issues. Excellent customer service. And is the best. Now I'm not saying that all of the reviews are 5-star reviews, but the majority of the reviews say that Hostinger is the finest hosting company to buy on. And I have two of the special coupon codes as well for my audience. And the best thing is that all of the plans covered with 30 days money back guarantee. And now if you scroll below, we are going to discuss on the plans later on. I'm going to see that with this Hostinger coupon code discount, you are getting fast, secure, reliable servers. You can create websites in seconds through the powerful Hostinger AI builder, and you are getting free domains with all of the annual plans at Hostinger. And if you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger website migration is easy. So if you're coming from another hosting company, they have a special dedicated tool in shifting your website. Plus, in case you have any issues, the agents are going to help you in transferring your website from other hosting company to Hostinger. Plus, the control panel is super easy, super user friendly. Anyone can operate it. Even a beginner or a newbie like me can manage it. So, you can manage it as well. And the Hostinger has speed, reliability, efficiency as the part of it. You're going to get fast servers, 24/7 support, and ample of security features like automatic or manual backups based on a daily or weekly depending on the plan. You're getting SSL certificate, DDoS attacks prevention with the cloud-free protected name servers, malware scanner, and a lot of security features. And right now, 3 million people are using this hosting with a special discount coupon codes. And I want you guys to be a part of this family as well. So, which is why I have 2 coupon codes and a special discount link. Now, before you get the coupon discount, I want you guys to select the best plan and simply select the see all features to do a thorough research of what features, functions are your requirement before you opt for any plan. So do a thorough search on what is your priority. After you are done with this, simply select the choose plan with any plan you are going to opt for. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. Now you can see that this is a limited time deal running right now, and you can see that coupon discount is already here. But I'm going to tell you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get further discount. But before you select the coupon discount, I want you to select the billing period. Hostinger offer 4 billing periods: 48, 24, and 12, and 1 month. These prices won't appear again, and I want you guys to take the maximum out of it. So which is why I recommend you to offer a 12, 24, or 48 months, so you can take the maximum out of this special deal. And once you select your billing period, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply, and you're going to see that a price is going to get a further discount on already running discount deals. Now there is another coupon as well which you can use. It is with the name of HI10. Simply select the apply, and you're going to see that a coupon got your further discount. Now once the coupon discount is loaded, our special discount link is loaded as well because you clicked on a special coupon discount link. Simply select the continue over here to this page, and on this page you have to write your billing details over here, and here you can see that your special coupon based discount is already included and you get a special coupon discount. After this, simply select the continue over here and select your payment method. Hostinger offer variety of payment methods, so you can select any according to your preference, and that is one of another additional feature of Hostinger, that you have so many options, and the 30 days money back guarantee is included in any plan you're going to have, which makes it a preferable option to buy on. So in case if you are going to buy from credit card, you have to write this credit card, your credit card details, and then you have to submit the button. That's how easily you can buy your hosting from Hostinger. The process is quick, easy. I have in this video mentioned you a special coupon discount link and two of the finest coupon codes through which you can buy, and I try to do a step by step on how you can buy your hosting with the Hostinger with special coupon codes. So yeah, I look forward in welcoming all of you at Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger with special coupon codes. Good luck.